Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited you're here with me today. On this episode, we're diving into an interesting little word that plays a big role in the English language. Our word of the day is by. It's a B1 level adverb that means close to or through. Let's explore what makes this word so versatile and how you can use it in your conversations. The word by is often used to show that something is near or close to something else. For example, you might say, the store is by the bank, meaning the store is located close to the bank. It can also indicate motion through or past something, as in, we walked by the river yesterday. There are plenty of synonyms for by, and some of the most common ones include next to, near, and alongside. For instance, you could say, she sat next to me on the bus, or our picnic spot is near the big oak tree. Another example could be, the boat is anchored alongside the dock. All of these share the idea of proximity, just like by. Now, let's look at antonyms. Words that show the opposite of by would include far from, away from, or distant from. For example, instead of saying, the school is by the park, you might say, the school is far from the park. Another example is, he stayed away from the edge of the cliff, which contrasts with the closeness implied by. In everyday life, by pops up all the time. You'll use it to describe locations like, the coffee shop is by the train station. You'll also find it in expressions like, she walked by without saying a word, which shows motion. It's even used in time-related phrases such as, I'll finish the project by Monday, meaning before or on Monday. Let me give you a few more examples to make things clearer. The children played by the lake all afternoon. I passed by your house earlier, but didn't see your car. He prefers to travel by train because it's more relaxing. To sum up, by is a handy little word that helps us talk about proximity, motion, and even time. I hope today's episode gave you a better understanding of how to use it naturally. Thanks so much for joining me on Hello Word. If you're enjoying the show, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Your support means a lot and helps others discover the podcast. Before we go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using by and share it with me in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of words.